Hey guys, this is Shakti Tech here, and today we'll be unboxing a brand new camera, the Sony a6500, and the lens that I got for it, the first one at least, the 50mm Sony E-mount f1.8 lens. So let's get right into it. As you guys can see here, it's really well packaged. I got it from Cal DSLR. I did research for months on finding the best prices, and this is the one that offered the best price, this shop called Cal DSLR. So they have a shop in Petaling Jaya, Malaysia, but I decided to buy this online. So guys, look at the amount of bubble wrap. So before I continue unboxing this, or unwrapping it I should say, the main reason I choose to get this over the almost similarly priced A7 II is mainly because of the autofocus system and the fact that this thing records 4K. So basically the images that are pulled from the sensor is in 6K format, and then it gets downsampled to 4K to produce very crisp video. And I've used this camera for like my work projects for the past year, and I really love it, and that's why I decided to get it myself. Now that I've taken out both of these boxes from the bubble wrap and everything, we can now get on to unboxing them. Now here's the box first for the Sony a6500. Has a lot of information. So there is like basic information on the product itself on the box, so we can check it out. So mainly it has a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, 425 autofocus points, which is, I heard the autofocus system in this camera is really amazing. 5-axis steady shot, Sony's stabilization system, I heard is quite good. And yeah, it records 4K. Very important part of this purchase, that it records 4K. So basically this camera downsamples 6K footage into 4K, so you get a really crisp image. So yeah, this is the camera. And this is the lens itself, a prime lens, a 50mm f1.8 FE lens. It's a Sony E-mount lens. It's a full frame one. So yeah, I can get on to unboxing it now. So yeah, let's see the process. So I've removed this. Now we can open to see the box itself. So yeah. So a lot of documentation. We'll file it to the side. Lots of writing, and this is the camera itself. It's wrapped inside this. So first you get a cable. Oh, it's not a Malaysian cable. If I'm not mistaken, probably need an adapter for this. Oh wait, there is a Malaysian brick as well. So yeah, this is for probably to charge the batteries up. Next, we have this. I'm not really sure what is it. Looks like a power brick. Has USB port and USB Type B and a conventional AC plug-in. Another one of these type of plugs. A strap comes in the box. Okay, I'll file that to the side. USB to USB Type B. And this is one battery. Comes with one battery only. And this is for the viewfinder. It's like a rubber padding. And now for the actual thing itself. So here's the camera body itself. Okay, it's the Sony Alpha series. So yeah, it's quite compact. It has a digital viewfinder, a retractable flash, and also 2 customizable buttons. I'll try to play with those later. So yeah, this is the main thing. It's what I got this for. Okay, so I'll set up everything and we'll unbox the lens, okay? Catch you guys in a bit. Now I'm gonna unbox the 50mm to f1.8 lens. I've already put the strap on, I put the rubber thing in, I put the SD card and the battery in, so it's almost good to go. We just need a lens to couple with it. So yeah, let's unbox it. I have to take out the tape. Here's the lens. Okay, this is the lens itself. It's supposed to come with the lens hood itself, books and stuff. So yeah, that's about it. So I'll couple the lens and the camera and I'll get back to you guys. So yeah, this is how the camera looks like, all fully set up. Currently it has no battery, so I'll go charge and I'll go and have some test shots and I'll come back to you guys about how it performs. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching Shakti Tech. I really appreciate that if you guys like, comment, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. What do you guys think about this purchase? I'm really happy with it because I've been using this camera as my work camera for the past year, and I've really fallen in love with it. I love the menu systems and everything. It's just so nice. It's so easy to use compared to my old Canon. So yeah, I can't wait to do stuff with this. Can't wait to create new forms of art. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate and subscribe, of course, and see you guys next video. Peace.